It is important to have people that are passionate, that are there to really go for it. Every time again, the team stood up and said, we're going to do it. They are there.
Agristo is already producing potato-inspired solutions for 37 years. And with our mission of making customer brands thrive, pursuing customer value is really becoming more and more central to our organization. Therefore, having a proactive customer interaction through connected and empowered customer teams is key to our success. That's why we started our partnership together with Salesforce and Deloitte about a year ago. Well, actually, the main reason why Agristo chose Salesforce is scalability. And Agristo always thinks long term. And at the moment, Salesforce is just best placed to provide us with a digital platform in order to service our customers.
I would say that we approach the implementation through close collaboration and involvement of Agristo business stakeholders, the product owners, as well as the solution architect, from the design into the implementation, testing and go live. And it's also the business stakeholders who were involved throughout the engagement who actually went live as a pilot user group, allowing them to really provide feedback from hands-on usage of the tool towards the go live that we are at today. And that's where we're at today, going live with Sales Cloud, CRM Analytics, fully integrated with SAP through MuleSoft.
The secret ingredient to the collaboration was that the Deloitte team was a lot at our office during the workshops with the Agristo team. They were also daily on our offices to work here, and we also often aligned with Salesforce to discuss on the design.
Agristo and Salesforce share common values like customer success and sustainability. And what I really liked is the dedication and the motivation of the Agristo team in making this project work and getting closer to the Agristo customers.
The biggest advantage is really that we can all work together on one tool, not only in the sales department, but cross-departmental, also the technical sales department and customer service department. And this will really bring us to that next level towards growth for the future.
I was actually very excited for today. It's like a kid receiving a new tool, and it takes me actually back to in time, 11 years ago. When I started working at Agristo, we had the tool, the CRM tool, Magic. But after what I have seen today, I think the real magic will start from today onwards.
At Agristo, digitalization is not a challenge, it is a necessity. And we are ready and excited to embark on a journey that will bring us to customer value.